The responses that I get whenever some floppy disks show up in my videos are humorous, to say the very least. Some people are dumbfounded, some people are incredulous, some people are envious, and still others ask, what in the world is a 17-year-old doing with floppy diskettes? Greetings, viewers. This is CP666 signing on to talk about a floppy disk drive. You see, this is the shell to a USB floppy drive, and you're probably wondering, well, what happened to the original? It died. What happened was a disc got stuck in there, well, the little metal part of a disc got stuck in there, and while I was able to free the disc, it messed up the alignment of the heads, and thus ruined the drive. And until now, I haven't been able to find a replacement. But in this really short video, hopefully, we're going to be replacing that floppy disk drive. Hopefully. What I have here is a slimline floppy drive from an HP net server that we were throwing away at work. Well, that was a lot more difficult than it needed to be. I had to pull the board out of its cage because the cage is too small. It doesn't fit a normal-sized laptop floppy drive, which is what this is. But how much do you want to bet this is going to blow up in my face now that I'm trying it out for the first time? This is the actual first plug-in. See what goes wrong. It's installing device software. Does it actually work? I don't think it does. Flash Buster-U. Well, that's what it is. I wonder if it works. That would be so sweet if it actually does. I'm not going to get my hopes up, though. It takes a long time to install drivers. Yep, it looks like it works. Well, that'd be annoying. What's it doing? I don't think the original did that, but let's grab a floppy disk and go ahead and try it out. I could just throw them all on the floor because it's a piece of crap too. And now it just unplugged itself. Let me try and figure this out. Right, I think I figured it out. Let's test it with a PC formatted disk. Hear it reading. And it works! Look at that. So that should be alright now. So the drive actually does work. As you can see, it is functioning. Just to prove that I'm not faking it at all, even though I don't know how you can fake something like this. Whoops. Let's go ahead and try and run the WW show program. I guess we can't run it. Demo.bat. I guess it can't. It wants to run full screen, which it can't do. But, well, there you go. Basically, it's reading from that disk, and that was a success. So, Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you can actually leave them down below. This is CP666 signing off. I hope to see you next time. Till then.